life and wants to be a YouTuber and now is a YouTuber called Mini. This is the rise of Mini Bloxia. He was born in December 1, 2004 and he earns money. He he earns 30 or 40,000. He earns 30,000 or 40,000 per month, which is actually crazy. And if you want to friend Mini Bloxia, then his username is to Mini Bloxia, which the S is a thing, capitalized, yeah. And Mini Bloxia is 21 years old and he lives in New Mexico. Yeah, that's all I can find of Mini Bloxia. Yeah, it's actually crazy, I know.